Hello, my friends. This is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. Today, I am what I am. I am simply going to share the lyrics from the iconic song of the same name, written by Jerry Herman for the original musical called La Cage aux Folles. You ready? I am what I am. I am my own special creation. So come take a look, give me the hook or the ovation. It's my world I want to have a little pride in. My world, and it's not a place I have to hide in. Life's not worth a damn till you can say, I am what I am. I am what I am. I don't want praise, I don't want pity. I bang my own drum, some say it's noise, I think it's pretty. And so what if I love each feather and each spangle? Why not try to see life from a different angle? Your life is a sham till you can shout out, I am what I am. I am what I am, and what I am needs no excuses. I deal my own deck, sometimes the ace, sometimes the deuces. There's one life and there's no return and no deposit. One life. So it's time to open up your closet. Life's not worth a damn till you can shout out, hey world, I am what I am. I invite you to find that song, Google it, or whatever your search engine might be. Play it full tilt, out loud. If you're in your car, windows down, scream it, shout it, sing it, dance it. Do not hide your light for any reason. This is Reverend Kit for One Mind Wednesday. I love you all dearly. I love the light that you shine in the world. Remember, we are all a part of the one mind, and I'll say today we are all a part of the one light, which means we are all in this together. So, kindness matters. Love is the only answer. Get out there and shine, my friends. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next week. Take care.